Rick's doing a quick and dirty test of this box fan here.
Eskimo reversible. Let's see, so I'll go forward low.
Pilot light works. The one in my laundry room burned out eventually, although you can get replacements of those, I think. Yeah, I've never had one of these where the grill mounted correctly. There's little clips that hold it in place and they get metal fatigue. This is a much quieter low than my other two-speeder. So maybe this one's just in better shape, or maybe it needs oil and it's not going as fast as it should.
I mean, sometimes these portable fans take a little bit, especially on low, to get up to full speed.
Well, if that's the case, then they need oil.
Right. But I mean, I'm saying...
We'll turn it off. Let's see how quick it stops.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it was. It does not look bad at all.
No, it's pretty clean, actually. No, it's not stopping abruptly, so
Where should we go high?
I can hear the little hum from here. What's it drawing? Around 3 amps?
140 watts, 2.5 amps.
Interesting. It's a little lower than I'm used to for these. High's a little slower too, but I'm okay with that because these are one of those things where you get more wind noise than you get.
It's still lining up.
Yeah.
I
probably does need a little oil. Manning, Bowman, McGraw, Edison, Eskimo, all those companies
It actually went down to 2 amps now.
were pretty cheap. Like, these were not considered the high-end fans at the time. They were considered the Hampton Bays or whatever, or Harbor Breezes or whatever the cheap option is.
Yeah.
But they're actually really, the box fans are really nice. Their desk fans are just kind of loud and useless.
I don't mind them for just like if you just need a blast of air and you don't care how loud it is. But
Yeah.
the thermostat does work too. It clicked off.
Nice bimetal strip.
Yep. It's a very quiet one too. Like I don't hear anything. All right, well, let's try reverse.
Okay, do me a favor though. Don't just let it spin down first, because it's very easy to kill a shaded pole reversible motor by putting too much strain on it, which is what happens when it's going one way and you push it the other way. I've killed a few that way. I mean, granted, they were probably already on their way out from years of people doing that and not oiling it.
Let's let it spin down.
Yeah. Should probably, I guess, do a video of our lighting project of tonight too, huh?
Oh, true. Yeah, we could do that.
Well, you guys, well, let's tell you what. When we're done with this, let's go get the ladder and the bulb, and I'll walk over there and bring the camera.
Definitely looks like a pretty good spin down.
Yeah. Well, I think also there's some wind.
Yeah. Probably. I'm sure a little.
Well, because the wind would be going that way.
Right. I think a
So-
little oil would never hurt. But...
No. And knowing me, I'll do a round of WD-40 first and then a round of real oil.
That's cool. The lights that works too. Yeah, it just uses. I think it's an NE2 if I remember right. And like.
Well, one day we'll fix the one in my laundry room. How about that?
It's just a matter of time.
It worked when I put it there, and I just had it so the light was on all the time because I liked it, and then it eventually paid me back for that by burning out.
That's really
What do you think about these, Pete? Metal?
Oh yeah. All right.
This kind of Art Deco grill with the
go
controls in front was really big on my, like one of these. There was one of these in one of the third grade classrooms at my elementary school, and I was obsessed with it because I'd never seen a fan with a light before. It had a dial, buttons, a light, and the cool grill pattern.
Actually, I had something like that. I actually didn't have a box fan. What it was one of those patent space heater type that looked like a box fan.
Gotcha.
1.57 amps.
It had a light and a thermostat on it.
What's interesting is I thought the light usually goes off when it clicks.
No, the light is designed to stay on anytime there's power to the fan. So if you see that the fan is not moving and the light is on, it means the thermostat kicked it off.
Okay, yeah, because it is the thermostat works very. Okay, let's go high reverse.
It's interesting that they made the exact same fan and labeled it Eskimo, Manning, Bowman,
Oh yeah, they always did that.
Toastmaster.
A million labels for the same thing. Yeah.
Oftentimes a different color corresponded to a different label, but in this case they were the same.
Oh, and now I know I found what I had, a patent type thing.
Oh yeah, I remember those. That's a bit newer than this.
Okay.
That
well,
looks like maybe Rick can tell you what year that is probably.
we had two of these. One actually had a thermostat
That's
on
like
it,
probably about 7.
and that same kind of red indicator light
Yep,
on it.
neon light.
It's actually orange. It's an orange below, but they put a red filter.
Lens over it.
I don't think I knew that.
Yeah, no. Well, yeah, it's a little orange. It's like a flicker flame. It'll look exactly.
Yeah, like they have in power strips in
Yep,
the.
It's one of those.
They still sell
This
those.
is a solid runner, honestly.
Yeah, this runs better than.
This is probably better than the other one.
I have a handful of these, and well, I have 4 that I know of. The one in my laundry room, the actual one from my childhood that's in terrible shape in part because of me, and one day we're gonna restore it.
We've all made
Yeah,
mistakes,
I literally got paint from the clean sweep and mixed paint together in cans until I got the color that matched, and then brushed it on.
Ooh. Yeah, you might want to just
It was probably mixing oil and water-based paint and.
Yeah, at that point you want to just sand and repaint it probably.
Yeah, well, we'll take it to Metal Pete's place where they blast it.
Sandblast it, yeah.
Because in hindsight, who cares if it's the same color?
Alright, 0 to 9.
Just get a color that's close. Just fucking gray.
Yeah, then you can get close enough.
Yeah, so I've got the one in my laundry room, that room. One that I went and picked up when it was one of the reasons I was driving near Lake Geneva when I got in that really bad car accident. And the fan was in my trunk and it got damaged. And that one's somewhere in one of the storages. It's probably almost as bad shape as the one from my childhood. So now this is the 4th one.
A bug just got sliced.
Yeah, it's going to happen around here. I say we leave this around for when we're doing videos and things later and it can be pointed at me.
Yeah, no, I'm fine with that. Nice runner.
I don't think that other blower fan is here anywhere.
No, it's right. It's back.
It's still back there?
Yeah, it's back there.
What
This
am I-
is cool. This is cool. That's a good runner. I have one.
Yeah, thank you, Stuart. Thank you, McMullet. Okay, well let's go film our